So I recently noticed a leak happening from underneath my vehicle, and here is how I assessed, is it serious or not? Okay, so my alarm bells were going off because a couple of days prior to this I had changed the oil in my vehicle, so I was like, what is going on here? What is this liquid? You can see if you get down here, we've got some pretty steady drippage happening, and I don't know what that is. And so what I'm going to be doing here is kind of touching it with my finger. Now, I'm no pro at all, no, definitely not a mechanic, just a DIYer, but here's how I generally assess weird looking drips or stains underneath the vehicle. I've got a white paper towel that I'm just going to put down there, because that's going to gauge the color, and I'm also going to come up here and just kind of look around to see if I see any dripping happening. We've got different reservoirs, and of course I have to look at the instruction manual to see what is what, but you've got your oil, your coolant, your steering fluid, a lot of common sense kind of stuff maybe, or maybe it's not so common, I don't know. And fortunately the leak is far enough away from the oil where I know it's not the oil, and looking at the paper towel, it is saturated, and it appears to be completely clear, and I wouldn't say clean, but clear, and no odor whatsoever. So this, I think my assessment is water. So I'm going to kind of look under here, and again, that leak was coming pretty far from the oil pan, or the oil where you actually undo that nut for the oil to drain out. So I didn't think it was going to be a leak from the oil change. It's much farther to the right, and again, it's clear, steady, so I think it's condensation from something that's dripping down the air conditioner, for example. And the filter, the oil filter, is by far to the left, and it dries completely. So that is not something that I'm concerned with. I think it's just condensation happening. If yours is not clear, if it has an odor or whatnot, then you'll have to continue your YouTube searches